Unlocking the joy of life. Let's make memories. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and inspiring phrase, let's make memories. This phrase is a heartfelt invitation to create lasting moments that we can cherish forever. It's not just about experiencing life, but about making each moment count with friends, family, or even by ourselves. So, let's explore what it truly means to make memories and how we can incorporate this wonderful concept into our lives. At its core, let's make memories is a call to action. It encourages us to engage actively with the present and to create experiences that will become treasured memories. This phrase often implies doing something out of the ordinary or special with others, something that you can look back on fondly in the future. It's about the quality of time spent together rather than the quantity, focusing on meaningful interactions that leave a lasting impression. When someone says, let's make memories, they're expressing a desire to build connections and share experiences that will bind you together, creating stories you'll tell for years to come. Making memories is fundamental to our emotional well-being. These memories become the stories of our lives, shaping our identities and our connections with others. They help us reflect on our journey through life, understanding our growth and changes. Connect with others on a deeper level, through shared experiences and mutual stories. Cope with life's challenges by reminiscing about joyful times, which can provide comfort and strength during tough times. In essence, memories are the milestones and treasures of our lives, adding richness and depth to our existence. Creating memorable moments doesn't always require grand gestures or elaborate plans. It's about being present and mindful in the experiences we share. Here are some tips to make any moment memorable. Be open to new experiences. Sometimes, stepping out of our comfort zone leads to the most unforgettable memories. Focus on the people you're with. Engage deeply with those around you. Listen, share, and be present. Capture the moment. While living in the moment is crucial, taking photos or jotting down a few notes can help preserve these memories for future reflection. Celebrate the small things. Not all memorable moments are life-changing events. Sometimes, the simplest activities can become cherished memories. Let's make memories is more than just a phrase. It's a philosophy of living life to the fullest, with open hearts and minds. It reminds us to cherish each moment, to create joy and happiness in our interactions, and to build a tapestry of experiences that enrich our lives. We hope this video inspires you to seek out and treasure those special moments, making every day memorable in its way. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the beauty of English expressions and how they can enhance your life. Until next time, let's make memories.